Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to EonsOfBattle. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some simple bog bases. Here are the paints I'll be using, and a list of materials can be found in the description below. The first thing I did was I wanted to give the bases some variety and elevation, so I squirted on some original Gorilla Glue. Less is more, you just need a drop. I let that dry and harden, and then it was time for some flock. I painted the bases with some wood glue, which I find much stronger than Elmer's white glue, and once my bases were covered, I began with a sprinkling of medium grain sand and then finished them off with a dousing of fine grain sand. Once that was dry, I primed the models black. I'm using my trusty airbrush, but you could also do this with a rattle can. After that, I base coated the models with some Vallejo chocolate brown, and then I gave them a dry brushing with some Vallejo Stonewall gray. This will make the sickly peat ground found in bogs. Then I painted the rim of the base black, but we're not done yet. I took a grass tuft and started to cut it into smaller pieces. I superglued these down to the base to represent some small, sickly shrubs. After that, I applied some yellow-green static grass, so I put down a small dot of white glue and then applied the flock, pressing it into the glue. And there you have 3 finished bog bases. We make tutorials like these every single week, and if you find them helpful, you might consider supporting us over on Patreon. Over there, you'll gain access to some behind the scenes and other exclusive content. These bases would look great alongside our sinister swamp base. Find these videos and lots more like it on our basing playlist, where you'll find tons of easy and unique bases. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.